This is a presentation about Dr. Darlene E. Crone-Todd, helping those who help themselves. A psychology professor at Salem State University in Massachusetts, her studies focus primarily on improving behavior methods of students, and students are not exclusively college or graduate level. She earned her PhD in experimental behavior analysis at the University of Manitoba in 2002 and completed her postdoctoral work at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine in behavioral pharmacology. Some of her articles are An Introduction to Special Issue on Thinking and Behavior, where Dr. Todd discusses how thinking can be studied as a product of behavior. She advises that educators assess their students' literacy skills before teaching them new material. This method saves time and effort because educators will have better results from their students' grades. In Assessment of Thinking in Adult Learners, she discusses ways we can better evaluate adult learners and review their higher order thinking. She compares different theories and current methods that are used today and analyzes their effectiveness. Again, Dr. Crone-Todd suggests educators strengthen students' weaknesses instead of just pointing out their faults. That way, they help the learner be better. In another article, The Effect of Changing Grading Criteria on Student Writing, this was presented in the Behavior Analyst Today, Volume 8. Some of her life's work is that she studied the ways students can change their behavior and in turn earn a better grade. She developed methods for instructional leaders to support their students' study habits and produced ideas for companies to implement effective training techniques, helping them save time and money. She's also a huge advocate for inner teaching methods. Some mock interview questions that I would ask Dr. Crone-Todd if ever given the opportunity are, what are some ways in which leadership training workshops can incorporate ABA-based methods? What influenced you to study ABA so extensively? And what are some ways in which you use ABA in your personal life? What are your hopes for the advancement of ABA on a national, universal level? And how can ABA be used to better our judicial system? This is why her work is so important. She's helping people who are helping themselves. The students and trainees in her articles are people who are trying to better themselves by enrolling in university and trade school. The results of her research not only benefit the instructional leaders, but it benefits the learner as well. She's developing ways in which educators can be more efficient and encouraging, producing progressive training methods for underprivileged trainees, and showing the ways in which tweaking our environment can influence better behavior and in turn produce better quality work. Here is a list of the resources I used to complete this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.